Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to look at text-to-speech, how to convert text-to-speech in a simple way for free using a free AI tool. Let's dive in and start right now. So you make sure you're connected to the internet and we go to our browser. We're looking for Clipchamp. It's a software, very nice in editing. So we sign in. If you don't have a sign up, we sign in. Then we go and say create a new video. So in the new video tool, it brings you the window whereby you go and say create and record. So below we have text to speech. So under text to speech, we have the window where we can insert our text, but we have different options of languages from different countries, and then also the audios of different personnel or the speech of the people. Now we select, or you can even preview.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Then we can insert a text to our speech. So you copy and paste, and then you say save, or you first preview. Takes some time.
Is a text-to-speech
So after hearing
software
that the
designed to
speech is
convert
okay,
written text into natural
you come
sounding
and say
speech.
save.
This type of software is commonly used in various applications such as accessibility. ChipChamp is a text-to-speech software designed to convert written text into natural sounding speech. This type of software is commonly used in various applications such as accessibility tools.
Once you see your speech is okay, then you can go and save it. So you're going to save it as a draft. You go to export, then save as a draft. We're saving it as a draft because it's an MP4, and then we're going to convert it later to MP3 for audio. So after saving it, it automatically saves itself in your computer, and then we look for MP4 to MP3 converter on Google. It's free also, and then you select, and then you look for where your audio is saved or your MP3 is saved. You browse and then select it and then say open. So when you insert it, you can say convert, and it will start converting. After it has finished converting, you go ahead and download it, and automatically it will be saved as an MP3. So this is the simplest way of converting text to speech. Hope this video has been informative to you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thank you.
Key features of